What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a battery backup system that you can use on the go. So this is going to be a system by ALLPOWERS. We're going to open this up, take a look at it, and go over the features. All right, so once you take everything out of the box, you get three things. One is going to be your manual and your warranty information. That way you have the contact information and you can claim your warranty. This is going to be a 3-connector plug that you would use to plug into the unit. This is how you charge it. Also, you can use this as a UPS also. All right, so this is the R600 by ALLPOWERS. This is going to be a 600-watt battery backup with a 1200-watt surge. On this unit, we have 8 ways to plug in our devices. So let's start with this side over here. We have 2 USB-C inputs and 2 USB-A inputs, and this has a separate power button for this side. On this side, we have 2 AC inputs. So those are going to be 3-prong connectors there with 100 to 120 volts. And then we have a cigarette lighter adapter, or this is going to be your 12-volt 10 amp. On the face of this display, we also have a flashlight. So this light can be turned on to give you some light if you're out camping. You know, it can show you the way, or it has different lighting brightness settings, and then also has a SOS setting just in case you get into an emergency. On the front of the panel, it's going to display your battery life percentage. Also, when you're not plugged in, it's going to give you how long this will last on its own. So basically, right now at 64%, we're looking at 2 days. Once you plug in units, you'll start seeing your input and output voltage. So whether you're plugging in to charge or you're plugging in to actually get juice back to this unit, you'll be able to see that readout there. Now, ALLPOWERS does have an app, so you'll be able to connect to this via Bluetooth, and you can see all the measurements straight from your phone's app. And speaking of cell phone, this does have wireless charging. Wireless charging is going to be right here on top. So if you're out camping or you're out and about with this unit, you can set your phone on here and it can get charged as well. Now on the side, this is where you're going to be connecting your power outlet to get juice back into the unit. So once you flip up this cover, you'll just plug in here and this will recharge. This recharges really fast. You can charge this unit really in about an hour. Now, one cool feature that this has, no matter if you're going to be charging through a power outlet or if you want to get the additional solar panels, this is where this plugs into. So you can actually have portable solar panels plugged into this when you're out getting juice back to the unit and basically charging off grid. So this could be its own little self-sustainable unit for power. This also acts as a UPS. So if you're at home, you're in an RV, you can plug this into your power outlet and then plug in your devices such as your computer, laptop, or other devices into this unit. Just in case the power goes off, this kicks in and you still have power going to your TV or your computers. Now, for example, you can take this with you just about anywhere because it's so portable. Say for instance, you're out and you need to have power going to an inflator. Maybe you pull it over to the side of the road. You can get power to that inflator. Just in case that cord isn't long enough to reach your cigarette lighter, just pop this out, plug it in, get aired up. Also, if you're just out, this is a great way to get your devices powered. Well guys, this is going to be the R600. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.